Welcome to our video on 100 modern front wall design ideas for 2023. Your front wall is the first impression of your home, and in this video we will explore a wide range of contemporary design that can transform the look of your house. We begin with the beauty of minimalism, clean lines, neutral colors, and simple texture can create a stunning modern front wall. Next, let's embrace nature using material like wood, stone, or even plant elements. Can bring a touch of the outdoors to your front wall. Lighting can work wonders. Modern front walls often feature creative lighting arrangements that make a bold statement. Geometry meets aesthetics. Geometric pattern can add a sense of sophistication and intrigue to your front wall. Texture adds depth. Explore front walls with textured finishes that create visual interest. Add a pop of color. Vibrant accents can inject personality into your front wall design. Display designs with colorful accents like painted doors, trim, or artwork. Embrace transparency and sleekness. Glass and metal elements can give your front wall a modern industrial edge. Go green with sustainable designs, eco friendly materials, and energy efficient features are increasingly popular. Your front entrance sets the tone. Discover innovative entrance design that stand out. As we consult our journey through these 100 modern front wall design ideas for 2023, remember that your front wall is a canvas of your creativity. Chosen a design that reflects your style and makes a lasting impression. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design ideas. Feel free to comment with your favorite front wall design from our collection. Thanks for watching.